So good afternoon, everyone. So today we are going to discuss about how to insert image, shapes, special character in a document. Last time we had learned about how to do the formatting and how to do the page formatting, how to change the background color, how to insert the border. So these all things we discussed in a last class. And today we are going to talk about how to insert the image, shape, special characters in a document. What happens whenever we are working with the file, we are doing some work. Sometimes we need to insert image, sometimes we need to insert some design. Okay, so for that there is an insert menu in a writer. In a OpenOffice or LibreOffice writer, you will get an insert menu, and that insert menu is help us in inserting image and everything. Okay, the regular text in the documents can be made attractive and more informative by inserting the various elements as listed below. Means we require to be insert image. Sometimes we need to insert image here. So what is the meaning of insert image? Means we want to insert some pictures related to your computer, related to your work. Suppose you want to show, you are talking about the computer hardware devices, then definitely you need to show the images also. So for that, we have to insert the image. Whenever you insert an image in your document, whenever you insert an image in your document, such as any image from anywhere, it's maybe from the pen drive, it's maybe from the storage device. Sometimes we need to insert the image through the internet also. So to insert any image in your document, where the position is there means where the cursor current position, or you can say where your cursor is blinking, at that position you have to go on the insert menu. In a insert menu you have to select image option. Okay, and another alternative is just click on the insert image icon located below the formatting toolbar. Then what happened whenever you click on the insert image or you click on the image icon, you will get a file manager. A dialog box is appear. That dialog box will ask you to select the image. Okay, where is the image file? So you can select the image file and click on the open button, or you make a double click on the image file. The image will be get inserted in your file. So let's see through this example. So now the OpenOffice writer is here and I'm just increasing the size of the zoomer. And now look at this. Where is the my cursor? My cursor is at this position. Okay. So I'm at this position. Look at this. I'm at this position. Now I want to insert, so I have to go on the insert, and there is the option image. So I click on the image. This is called file open dialog work. So I'm going in the download and let's look. I'm checking anything, something like this. Suppose there is a image, your school image is there, and I'm going to insert that image here. So look at this image inserted here. Look how the image is inserted, and it's inserted here because it is there, but the size of the image is very big. So that's why it's not adjusted at this position and it's shifted to the next page. It's shifted to the next page. So how we can increase or we can decrease the size of this? For that you have to select on the image and you are get the size resizer fill in there. So there is a rectangle, a small rectangle, it will appear on the boundary of the image, and you can say in every corner there are 8 are there. Look at this rectangle. So this, with the help of this, we can decrease the, we can change the size of the image, and when you change the size of the image you can adjust it accordingly. Now look, now you look, your image is inserted at this position. Look, it's automatically move at that position. Earlier what happened, the size of image is very big. Now look at this resize handle. This is called resize handle. So this is the rectangle is here. Through this we can increase on the left and right. Okay, top way, this way you can increase or you can decrease also. You can decrease and you can increase also. This is the, you can move on the right hand side, and this is you can move on the left hand side, and this is you can down and up on the right hand down, okay, and this way you can decrease it this way also. Okay, if you want to decrease the size in this way, you can decrease it, you can increase it like this way. Okay, from there also you can do the same thing. So, and if you are using this corner handle, then it increase the width and height all together, as well as decrease the width and height all together. Okay, so this way you can insert the image. Now the one option is there, कि if I want to shift the image from one position to another position, is it possible कि I can shift? And now I'm going to write here hello Hello students, how are you? And whenever I press the enter key, it's automatically moving down. How are you? And I'm pressing the enter key, it's going down. Now I want to shift it up. I have to click it here and move it up. So this way you can adjust your image at the spike position. There is some formatting toolbars, and this way you can decide the wrapping of text. This is called wrapping of text. So it is the optimal page wrap. This is the by default option. Okay. So this is the by default. You can change it in this way. You can change in this way. Now look at this, how the text is going to appear on this. Okay. So this way you can see and you can adjust. This is the top and bottom. What happened? Where you will place the image, the text is automatically means it's come means the in the boundary of the image no text will be appear. So normally we are taking this default setting. Okay, so this way you can insert the image. There is so many things, so many tools are there. You can rotate the image also. Whenever you select the image, you are getting the some other options here. You just look at this bar, this toolbar, and whenever I click on the text, look, the appearance of the formatting toolbar gets changed. But whenever you select the image, the buttons you are getting here, that is going to change. It's the alignment. You can align the image on the left align, right align, top align, bottom align. There is so many alignments are there, middle, there is a bottom. Like this way you can align, and I'm making it a simple and I'm putting it like this way. I want to keep it here only. If you want to put in between like this way, you can do in this way also. You can adjust in this way also. You can adjust in this, just drag, click and drag, click and drag and drop. Okay, so this way you can insert. This is the bring to front, bring to back. Means if I am having two images and I want to keep one image above the another image, for that purpose we are using this option, forward and backward. Okay, this is the border. If you want the border around your image, you can use this. It will automatically apply the border around the image accordingly. This is the left border. Only left border is appear here. Achha, through this we can change the style of the border. Through this we can change the different styles are available. So you can select the any style here. Through here you can change the color of the border also. Okay, through this you can change the fill style. Border no fill is there. Background color you can fill it, but there is no use of this fill because this is an image, but I'm going to fill it something. I'm filling is a dark background. So look at this color, this image is get filled from the background. Okay, and so this way you can do some formatting here. Now you look, I want only the left and right border. I want only top and bottom border, so I'm selecting this option. I want no border here, so I'm selecting no border option. So this way we can do this. There is some more options are there. And what is this? This is used for the filter. We can do some filter. We can change the image color, grayscale. We can change it black and white. Look at this. We can make it watermark, means it's appear like a watermark image. Okay, you can keep it at the default. If you want to crop, I want to crop. Okay, so how can I crop? I have to click on the crop image, and now you just redrag it. Look, it's a cropping. It's a cropping. Okay, you can make it Control Z. It's going back to the original locations. Acha, if I crop the image, suppose I'm clicking at this and I'm cropping the image. Look at this. Now only bus will be appear here. And again I'm increasing, then what happened? The other parts are there. It's not deleted. The other parts are there. Whenever you move and increase the size of the image in the actual size, you will see this is the actual size of the image. This is the actual size of the image. So now I'm keeping in this way. So I'm getting the all other information in a proper way. Okay. So cropping help us to crop. Sometimes we want to remove some components from that. I want to keep only certain parts of that. For that purpose, we are using the crop options. Okay, so you can off and you can on it, or you want to off, then select and click somewhere else, it get off automatically. Now this is called rotation, flip vertical. I want to flip the image. Look at this, look at this. So this way we can rotate and we can change the directions, we can change the orientation of the image. So these options are there. This is also the rotate options. You can rotate the image. So how you can rotate the image? You are getting the options by this filler option, and now you can rotate the image like this way. Look at, see, No, it's not showing the rotation. So how I can rotate it? I'm clicking on this. Now I'm getting this. Look at this. Whenever you click on this, you see a circle is there. At the corner of the image, you will feel a circle. And whenever you move the mouse pointer at that, you will see the arrow is showing that, and it's showing the rotation. Means you can rotate. You can rotate your image. Just click and drag your mouse like this way, and look, your image is rotated. And why this background is looking like this? Because you have filled your image with the background color, that's why it looks like this. And I'm saying no fill. Now look, my image is looking fine. Getting? So this way we can rotate, means we can rotate according to our requirement. I want to rotate in this way, I want to rotate in this way, so we can do this according to our requirement. Okay, so this option is here. To rotate means customize form. If you want to rotate by 90-degree angle, you want to rotate by 90-degree or fully horizontally, then you can choose this option. This is the rotate by 90-degree right and rotate by 90-degree left. And this is the flipping, means just turn the orientation. Okay, now this is what transparency. Suppose I am going to keep this image behind the text. I'm going to keep this image behind the text. I'm sending it back, format back. Oh, sorry, it's a rotation is click. Now I'm selecting this and putting at this here. Okay, it's not adjusted. So what I'm doing and wrap through, and I'll see, yeah, it's coming like this way. Okay, so now the text is not wrapped here, and I'm going to click on this behind. It's not going back. I have to select back one. It's also not working here with the image, but I want to keep it back. So I'm making a right click here, and there is a arrange options and send to back. It's not working. Actually, it's working with the, I think it's working with the some different images only, the different symbol and shape only. It will work. Okay, okay, leave it. I'll talk about this later. Bilkul. Okay, so now I'm going to, this is about to how to insert the image. If you want to insert image, we have to do this. Now the another thing is that inserting a special character. Sometimes we want to insert some special character. Those characters are not available on our keyboard, but we want it. We want to type such a character to complete our document. Like this, sometimes you are typing some maths and equation and some extra things are there. So for that purpose, we need some special character. The characters which is not available on your keyboard, normally it is called a special character. So these characters you can print by, you can insert by using the insert, and okay, change हो गया, change हो गया. 90 पेपर दिया था, अभी दिया था दोबारा. Good. So insert, you can use the insert here and insert a special character. यही print लेना है. नहीं. And then again you have to go it here and in the writer and select the, this time I'm going on the insert, and in a insert I'm getting an option. Achha, one more thing is there. If you want to insert image, you can directly click at this button also. This shortcut icon is also available here, and through that you can insert directly any other image. Suppose there is another image and I want to insert, so I can insert the any other image here like this. Suppose I'm going to insert this flag here, so it will insert it here. Okay, and now I can show you what is the meaning of the back and front. You select this and move it back. Yeah, this is not it. It's working, means it is working with the two images. So it's not working with the general text, it's working with the images. Okay, so look at this. So now it's working, and one more thing I have to show you. This is working now, and you can put it back, you can keep it back, you can look at this. So how it's working like this. So now you understand, okay, what is the meaning of send it back and bring it forward. I hope you understand. So this way you can get the insert options. Okay, now we have the special symbol. So how we can insert the special symbol? For that you have to go in a insert, and can you please find out, is there any insert character? Is there insert a special symbol? Is there? Is there anything you are able to find? I
Sir,
think
that
a
is
special character. There is a special character. Look at this omega symbol. It looks like a omega. And why it's the omega icon is given here? Because this omega icon is not available on your keyboard. So we have to click at this button, and whenever you click at this button, you are getting automatically, you are getting the some characters here. Some, suppose you want to write the copyright symbol, you want to registered symbol. These are the registered sign. This is the copyright sign. Okay, and suppose you want to write new symbol, you want to write this greater than, like this, right pointing double angle, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4. Okay, this is the some Latin capital letter. These are the Latin symbols are there. So these symbols, suppose you want to insert this symbol, these symbols are not available, this symbol are not available on your pound sign. Okay, this plus minus you want to write down, sometime you have to type the equation and you want to show plus minus, plus minus. Okay, you want to type a square root symbol. Okay, so for that we have to go on the insert symbol. Look at this, there are so many symbols are there. Okay, so we can use this, you can use this also, we can insert it like this way. Look, sigma symbol is inserted. This is called summation sign and sigma sign. We can do the same thing with the help of the this symbol, this characters also. And you can go, these are the some favorite characters, and if you want something else, more characters are there, go on the more characters and you can select. Sometimes we have to change the font also. If you change the font, you will get the some new characters, some new design, something in different way. Like this is the square root symbol. We can use this square root symbol here for typing the root, square root of 2, like this way. So these are the, this way you can insert the symbol in your special character in your file. Okay, is there any doubt anybody is having? I don't think so you are having any doubt. If you want to insert this smiley, look at this symbol and this symbol, these are the play card, these are the music icon, you want to insert something like this. So for that purpose, sometime you want to draw the rectangle and a square with the help of your own some character like this, you will use these symbols also. So this way we can do the insert operation. Look at this, there are so many symbols are there, so you can select. Here is the alphabet is also given, but here is the those symbols you will find, those symbols are not available on your keyboard. Okay, so this way we can insert. If you want to insert in this way, then you can insert like this way. Acha. Okay, now. So now I hope you understand how can insert the symbol and character. Okay. Now there is a insert shape. How can insert the shape? So if you want to insert the shape, you have to just click on the insert option and you can select the shape here. So look at this, this is the shape, this is the insert shape. There are different types of the shapes are there. I want to draw a line. Suppose I want to draw a line. I am putting my cursor in the below of the, at the below of the picture, and the cursor is where is the cursor? I have to check. Wait, I'm clicking here. Oh, okay. So first I keep my cursor here. First I keep my cursor here. It's going this way. Okay, no problem. Let it go down. Put it at this position, and now my cursor is here and I'm going to insert a line. If I want to insert a line, I can insert the line this way. If I want to insert a diamond shape, so I can insert the diamond shape. I can select the shape from here. I can select the circle. Look at this. I'm going to click on. Achha, here you in Microsoft Word, what happened? You have to simply click, but here you have to draw. Here you have to draw like this way. You have to draw. You can select the anything from here. If you want different types of symbol, you can different types of the symbols. Okay, if you want to change the color, you can change the color. You can fill it with different color. You want to change the boundary, you can change the boundary color like this way. You want to change the boundary thickness, you can select the boundary line this key, how the boundaries of the color sorry, image will be shown here. Okay, so this way we can select the different options and we can do the drawing. We can make a image. Acha, if you don't want to fill it, suppose I am selecting this image and I want to, there is no color, so I will write here none. I will write here none. Look at this. This is the without color, and I'm selecting some color. Suppose I want to increase the thickness of the line, so what I have to do, look at this. I'm increasing this size. I'm increasing this size, the thickness of the line is automatically increased. Look at this. Sometimes we want to increase the thickness, we can increase the thickness in this way. Okay, you want to reduce, I'm going to write here 0. So again, I'm getting it back. Okay, so is there any doubt anybody is having? Yes, please. So now I'm going to end the class for today, and in the next class, we will discuss about dividing the document page into columns. That's I have already discussed, but I'm going to discuss it again. Okay. So now you have any doubts, you can ask me, and if you are not having doubts, I'm going to end the class right now. Okay.